The ketogenic diet, often referred to as the keto diet, is a low-carbohydrate, high-fat dietary regimen that has gained significant popularity for its potential weight loss and health benefits. The core principle of the keto diet is to shift the body's metabolism away from carbohydrates and towards fats, thereby inducing a state known as ketosis. Ketosis occurs when the body, deprived of adequate carbohydrate intake, begins to burn fat for fuel instead of glucose. This process results in the production of ketone bodies, which serve as an alternative energy source for the brain and other tissues. To achieve and maintain ketosis, individuals following a ketogenic diet typically limit their carbohydrate intake to around 20 to 50 grams per day while significantly increasing their consumption of fats. Protein intake is moderated to prevent interference with the state of ketosis. Foods that are commonly included in the keto diet are fatty fish, meat, butter, oils, nuts, seeds, avocados, cheese, and low-carbohydrate vegetables like leafy greens. While the keto diet can provide rapid weight loss and improve certain health markers, it is not without its challenges and potential risks. Some individuals may experience the keto flu, a set of symptoms that can include fatigue, headache, dizziness, nausea, and irritability as the body adjusts to a low-carbohydrate intake. Long-term adherence to the diet can also lead to nutrient deficiencies, if not carefully planned. It is crucial for anyone considering the ketogenic diet to consult with a healthcare provider or a registered dietitian to ensure it aligns with their individual health needs and conditions. Moreover, the diet may not be suitable for everyone, particularly those with certain medical conditions such as diabetes or metabolic disorders. Therefore, while the ketogenic diet can be an effective tool for weight management and metabolic health, it requires careful implementation and ongoing monitoring to ensure both safety and efficacy.